Hi, my name is Sebastian from GMS Instruments. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a gas check with the Riken Keiki GX-2009 personal multi-gas detector. Here we go. Before you perform the gas check, make sure that you first have done the starting up procedure and the fresh air calibration procedure. The calibration gas that we use for model GX-2009 is the 58 liter Riken gas mixture, which contains 50 ppm CO, 25 ppm H2S, 2.5% CH4 and 12% O2. Model GX-2009 is a gas detector without internal pump, so-called diffusion type. Therefore, the regulator we use for model GX-2009 is the fixed flow regulator with 0.5 liters per minute flow rate. Click the calibration adapter on the gas detector and connect the hose of the fixed flow regulator to the calibration adapter. Now open the fixed flow regulator so that the gases can flow from the cylinder to the gas detector. Check the readings on the display of the gas detector and compare the readings with the gas concentrations on the label of the cylinder. Then compare the readings of the display and the concentrations on the gas cylinder label with the allowed deviation limits of the Riken acceptable pre-check values in the FMS focus document. If the readings fall within the deviation limits, the gas detector is ready for use. If the readings are outside the deviation limits, please contact the GMS Service Center for advice. The gas detector probably first needs service before it is ready for use. It is also important to leave the gas regulator on the gas cylinder at all times. If the same gas mixture is needed to perform a gas check with the other models, GX8000 or GX6000, which needs another type of regulator, then take another gas cylinder with the same gas mixture and also leave the other type of regulator mounted on that gas cylinder at all times. It is not to be advised to change regulators on the gas cylinders every time, because every time this will allow a small amount of air from the atmosphere to enter the gas cylinder, ultimately resulting in a less stable gas mix. Furthermore, gas cylinders that are half empty or more than half empty are no longer suitable for use because the creation of an unstable gas mix. In that case, use a new full gas cylinder for the gas check.